Welcome back, riders. Today we're diving into the rugged and ready Yezdi Adventure, a bike built for those who crave the unknown. Let's take a closer look at every detail that makes this machine a true explorer's companion. From the front, the Yezdi Adventure strikes a bold and purposeful stance, immediately signaling its off-road pedigree. The tall windscreen and wide handlebar give it that adventure tourer vibe. With utilitarian design that's both functional and aggressive, the high-set front fender and protective beak add to its rugged personality. You'll notice the fork gaiters, a subtle but meaningful touch that hints at the bike's go-anywhere attitude. Its tall profile allows for better road visibility and a commanding riding posture. The front design doesn't scream flash. It speaks of function and freedom. The LED headlamp setup on the Yezdi Adventure is built for clarity in the darkest conditions. It's housed within a square frame that balances vintage styling with modern efficiency. The DRLs daytime running lights form a halo-like ring around the primary light, giving it a distinctive look even in daylight. Night rides where it truly shines, literally, with a strong throw and good spread that ensures safety during long hauls. It's not just about brightness, but consistency and reach, which this setup delivers well. For off-road night trails or dimly lit highways, the headlights do justice to the adventure in its name. At the rear, the Yezdi Adventure features a compact and crisp LED taillight setup that integrates seamlessly with the bike's minimalist tail section. The design is upright and clean, with the tail light sitting just below the small luggage rack, maintaining the bike's streamlined adventure tourer silhouette. Bright and responsive, the LEDs ensure you're clearly visible from a distance even under low-light conditions. The turn indicators are neatly placed and offer excellent visibility from multiple angles. It's a design that values clarity and function without compromising style. Whether on city roads or mountain bends, the tail setup keeps things tight and tidy. Unlike many adventure bikes that sport high-mounted twin exhausts, the Yezdi Adventure keeps it simple with a single, upswept exhaust on the right. It's finished in matte black with a brushed metal heat shield, blending durability with understated styling. The note it produces is deep and throaty, noticeably louder than expected, yet not overwhelming. It gives the bike a robust acoustic character, especially during throttle rolls on open roads. Positioned high enough for decent water wading depth, the exhaust is adventure-ready. It's not flashy, but practical and tough, just like the bike itself. The rear profile of the Yezdi Adventure continues its functional theme with clean lines and a minimalistic build. The elevated tail section, slim grab rails, and upright indicators all contribute to a ready-for-action vibe. The symmetry is impressive, with the LED tail and number plate light tucked in smartly to avoid clutter. It's designed to hold saddlebags or a top box easily, appealing to touring enthusiasts. The exposed rear monoshock and wide rear tire give it a muscular finish. From the back, the bike looks lean, tough, and built for the wild. Viewed from the side, the Yezdi Adventure is unmistakably purpose-built, with a long wheelbase, high ground clearance, and a commanding seat height. The exposed frame, metal pannier mounts, and sculpted tank all contribute to its robust and functional look. The tank design flows smoothly into the split seat, and the engine guard below reinforces its off-road credentials. You'll appreciate the balance between retro cues and modern touches, like the flat panels and matte finishes. Every bolt and bracket seems deliberately placed to endure the harshest conditions. It's a motorcycle that looks ready to take on deserts, mountains, and everything in between. The Yezdi Adventure rides on 21-inch front and 17-inch rear spoke wheels, ideal for tackling varied terrains with ease. Wrapped in dual-purpose block pattern tires, the wheels offer excellent grip both on road and off. The spoke design adds flexibility and shock absorption, crucial for rough trails and off-beat paths. They're not tubeless, which might concern some, but they remain the preferred choice for true off-road durability. The alloy rims are finished in black, matching the overall rugged aesthetic of the bike. These wheels don't just roll, they roll over challenges with confidence. Powering the Yezdi Adventure is a 334 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine derived from Jawa's lineup, tuned here for broader torque delivery. It produces around 30 brake horsepower and 29.9 newton-meters of torque, balanced for both highway cruising and low-speed off-road crawling. The engine feels torquey in the mid-range, perfect for overtakes and climbing tough slopes. Made into a 6-speed gearbox, shifts are smooth, though slightly notchy at times. It's not a speed demon, but a reliable workhorse built to go long and far. The exposed engine casing and bash plate complete the look of a machine built for punishment and persistence. The Yezdi Adventure's digital speedometer is mounted high and off-centered, similar to the car rally bikes, designed for easy visibility while riding upright. It's a fully digital unit displaying speed, gear position, fuel level, trip meters, and even navigation support via Bluetooth connectivity. The layout is practical, not overly complicated, with clear readouts even in bright sunlight. Some may find the side placement unconventional, but it actually improves visibility during standing posture rides. It reflects the bike's core ethos: form follows function. Rugged, purposeful, and smart, just like the Adventure itself. That wraps up our close-up look at the Yezdi Adventure, built for riders who don't believe in boundaries. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. Adventure awaits.